Oo, baka anuin mo yung palda mo.
Si Andrew. Ay, nagbabay.
May dala siyang bike?
Hindi, yung nirenta siguro. Ang boboring ng mga tindang laruan dito eh. Tingnan mo to.
Ay,
Ay, Pokemon no, ha?
eto lang ang maganda-ganda na.
Yo, yung laruan.
These are not Nido. These are Rubik's Cubes, girl.
Nido.
It's just so loose.
Ano? Parang impossible, ano?
Yeah.
Yinya. Kaso walang tao dito na bumibili.
Ang laki na ng space.
Oo nga, parang walang tao eh. Puro jigsaw puzzle pala eh. Sushi. Saan na yung mga nido? Nido. There's the key. Oh, Nidos. I'm gonna buy you a squishy, okay? Just wait 2 weeks.
Oh, from Timu.
2 weeks, yeah, from Temu.
Wait, these are kind of good, little. The band, the buns. Rice. Pop stress though. Oh, look at this one. That's fun. That's really nice. Yeah, I like this. Oh, this is like gel, clear gel. Oh, you can feel this one. Yeah, you can feel it all. That's good. No, that one. This one. Like that one.
Look at that. Is that a dinosaur? Or a dragon?